Hey guys, it's me again, John with Buster's Garage Door here. Ignore the sirens. But we're in the garage today and we're making this baby work right here. Boom, we got a Liftmaster 1/3 horsepower with the chain drive. Up from bat next is the Genie screw drive, 7 foot, half horsepower. Hey Buster. Buster McDog. He's doing his own thing. Okay, so then we have another one back there. That's an 8 foot chain drive. So yeah, I just wired this up. Let's see what happens. Got some bottom seal in the way. That's the heavy duty good stuff. But for now, let's go ahead and plug this baby in. Oh, boom, it's plugged in. Safety sensors are hooked up. This is all just kind of like mocked up here. Just temporary connections. Boom, here we go. It's alive. Oh, hold on a second. For this thing to function at its peak, we're gonna go ahead here and just undo these things. Boom, she's ready. She's ready to fire. Right, Booter? Alright, watch this. Alright, so it's working. It's looking pretty good. Probably have to stop it before it connects. Boom. There you go. She needs a little grease, but yeah, Buster, what do you think? Oh, you know what? Boom. Let's hook up one of these here keypads. Light comes on. It looks like it's on. Might be a different frequency, but you get the idea. I'm gonna keep messing with this. Boom.